In this video, we're going to be talking about Not Just Another Pretty Face, which is a retinol and green tea serum. So Mom, what's so important about retinol?
Great question. Retinol is the perfect ingredient for this age group that we're targeting with the Lily and Shaw line, because it not only helps with fighting acne and blackheads, it also carries us well into adulthood because retinols are one of the best anti-aging ingredients you could ever use. So it's a great product to just get your skin used to and just continue to use throughout your life. Retinols help the cell turnover of your skin, help support collagen. It's going to help, like I said, reduce blackheads, reduce oil production. Some retinols do cause irritation, and that's why it's part of our acne line and not our glow line. Although if your skin isn't super sensitive, you're going to enjoy this product with any skin type other than, like I said, the most sensitive skin. But this retinol also has green tea, has some hyaluronic acid, which is going to help fight some of the drying and irritating portions.
So is retinol usually naturally found in the skin?
So retinol, interestingly, is a version of vitamin A. So it's just a derivative of a vitamin. So yes, retinols are naturally occurring in the skin in certain forms. So when we put this retinol on our skin, it's going to convert into a form of vitamin A that our body or our skin can use to do all the things we talked about. So this product, Not Just Another Pretty Face, gets our Best All Around Award for Ageless Beauty.